How good does it feel to walk barefoot on the grass or on the sand at the beach? That sense of calm, that almost instant release of stress. It's not just in your head. Science actually shows that something real is happening in your body when your bare feet touch the earth. And that's what we're talking about today, grounding, otherwise known as earthing. It's not just another wellness trend. It is a natural healing practice, and the benefits are measurable in your brain, in your body, even in your emotional state. Think about it. Most of us spend nearly all of our time insulated and disconnected from the earth. We wear rubber sole shoes. We walk on concrete. Many of us live in high rises. We sleep in beds that are raised off the ground. And on top of that, we are surrounded all day by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, artificial light, power lines, computers, phones, you name it. All of these devices give off electromagnetic frequencies. And while we don't always notice it, our bodies certainly do. Over time, it can make us sick, stressed, and it really affects how deeply we sleep. Now, I get it. These devices are part of life. Unless you want to go live on top of a mountain, it's pretty much impossible to escape all of this. But there is good news. There's something really simple we can do to counter these effects. It's free, it's accessible, and honestly, it feels amazing. Just take a little bit of time each day to connect directly with the earth. Barefoot on the grass, the soil, the sand, the rock, it doesn't matter. Lying down on a blanket on the ground with your bare feet directly touching the earth is awesome. In as little as 20 minutes, your body starts to rebalance. You literally charge yourself with free electrons from the earth. Why does this matter? Because your whole body is electric. Every single cell has a charge. Every nerve cell in your brain is firing electrical signals with every thought, every heartbeat, every movement. So when you place your bare feet on the earth, you're not just touching the dirt, you're plugging yourself back into the giant electrical circuit of nature. And this connection has incredible effects. Studies, including those published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health, show that grounding for just 20 to 30 minutes a day reduces inflammation, lowers the stress hormones like cortisol, which improves sleep quality, which is why grounding sheets are so popular, and it balances heart rate variability, which is a marker of resilience and health. And here's how grounding works. When your skin connects with the earth, free electrons from the earth are absorbed into your body. These electrons act like natural antioxidants. They neutralize harmful free radicals, and free radicals are all of those unstable molecules in our body that cause inflammation, that speed up aging, and contribute to disease. Now, electrons, they are negatively charged, and they increase alkalinity in the body, which is linked to healing. Even your red blood cells are affected. Normally, they carry a negative charge, and that's what stops them from clumping together. Remember your science classes? Negative charges, they repel one another. So when you connect to the earth, your blood literally flows better, and that lowers the risk of clotting and cardiovascular disease. In fact, research shows grounding improves your circulation and reduces the inflammation after just 1 hour. It's like recharging your body's internal battery. And from a mind-body perspective, grounding, it doesn't just help your physical body, it calms your nervous system as well. It takes you out of fight-flight mode, out of stress and overthinking and fear, and brings you back into the present moment, into stillness. So shoes off, get yourself outside, Go and walk barefoot on the grass, on the beach, in your garden. If you've ever felt that deep sense of relief, lying on the sand or in the park on a sunny day, now you know why. Your body was literally syncing up with the planet. And here's the best part. You don't need any equipment, no fancy gadgets. The earth is free. The only thing it asks of you is your time and your presence. So here's my challenge for you. Just take 20 minutes a day to step outside, take off your shoes, let your feet sink into the earth, and then just notice how you feel, not just in your body, but in your mind. You'll be reducing stress, lowering inflammation, helping you to have a good night's sleep, and restoring your energy, all by doing something completely natural. If you found this helpful, go and give grounding a try. And if you'd like more natural ways to heal your mind and your body, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, my friends, go ground yourself. Namaste.